Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to allow notifications for saving your pins on the Pinterest app for PC, especially with the latest update. If you want to stay updated whenever someone saves your pins, enabling push notifications will keep you informed right away. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll find several options. Scroll down until you see the Settings option and click on it. This is where you can customize your Pinterest experience, including your notification preferences. After entering Settings, you'll want to locate the Notifications tab. This is specifically designed for managing how and when Pinterest alerts you. Click on Notifications to open the list of notification types available. Among the notification options, find the one labeled Saves at Pins you published. This setting controls alerts for when other users save any pin you've posted. To make sure you don't miss any saves, toggle or click to enable the push notification feature. This ensures you receive real-time alerts directly to your device. Once you've enabled push notifications for saves, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom or top of the page, whichever appears, to confirm your changes. Without saving, your preferences won't update, and you won't receive those valuable notifications. And that's it. Now, every time someone saves one of your pins, the Pinterest app will send a push notification straight to your PC. This makes it much easier to keep track of engagement on your content without constantly having to check manually. Enabling these notifications is a great way to stay connected to your Pinterest audience and see which pins are gaining popularity. Plus, it helps you engage more quickly and effectively with other users. Thanks for joining me.